Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Custom Viking. My old name was Ultimate Knife Search, but I have changed my name to Custom Viking, and you can see in the video before this why. Yes, today that will be a little bit different because this is the first review I will make. Let me explain first, guys. This is a knife channel. Will always be a knife channel, but as you know, I am a hiker. I hike a lot, and I think I would show you a little bit about some of the gear I use also for my hiking trips. Not only my knives, but also my gear. No, this will not fill up the primarily videos here will be testing out knives, guys. But today I will make a short video about my new hiking boots from Hoka and Alpaca, and they are really awesome boots, and I will give you a quick review over them. Also, I know a lot of you other knife guys who are following my channel are also hiking, so I think this could be a very good information for this. And again, guys, look at this Buck ground combat knife here. This is an awesome combination if you choose your Hoka hiking boots in this color there. Look at this, guys. This is meant to be, you know, what you can call the color. It's some kind of military Desert Storm color there. So this is really awesome. This knife here is also awesome. I have made a review on it. You can see in the other videos. Yes, let's put this beautiful knife here to side so we can look at it when I go through the video. Yes, first I will push them a little bit aside. This is my normal hiking boots, guys. This is, what can you say, the most top-end hiking boots. They are very expensive. They are made of yak bull leather, and they are really tremendous awesome. I have hiked, I don't know how many kilometers I have hiked them. They're really good boots, but they have one problem, and I'll come back to that. These boots here, they are extremely supportive for your leg and ankle, and your foot also. You can go through anything over this, and they are waterproof down. I have been in water up to here many times, and my feet are still dry. But these boots here, they have a little bit, what can you say, in the summertime they are a little bit hot, but in the summertime I don't give them any treatment, so my feet can breathe better, and in the wintertime I give them some leather fat, and they are 100% waterproof. So that's something that is very nice. But this is a very stiff shoe, and I needed that because I am a very heavy guy. With my backpack, full backpack, I am almost over 150 kilos. So that's really need to be a strong shoe, and they have what can you say? They support you, not just your feet, but up to your legs and so on, up in the back, and that's awesome. This is a hand wake shoe, so if you're interested. Yes, the problem is with this shoe here, this is extremely heavy, and I can show you here, guys. I can show you here, guys, just in a minute. If I can get this on here, try to get this away. There's almost 1 kilo there, guys. weighs 998 grams, and this is dry, guys. If I, yeah, you can see there almost 1 kilo. If they are wet, they are extremely heavy. They are up to 1100 grams, so they are a very, very heavy shoe. So I needed something else to, what can you say, in the same category, but more light and more, when it's not so bad weather, I can travel in this. And this is awesome, guys. This is really, really awesome. This shoe only weighs 498 grams, so you can say this is a half kilo lighter. And when you hike around, this is a half kilo on my left and right foot, so this is 1 kilo total. And when you travel for many kilometers and hours, you can really feel a big difference. So of course this what can you say, bound here is very strong, and it's more flexible, more like not like a running shoe, but it's a little bit more flexible than this, and this is extremely stiff. But I can still go over some big rocks, and my foot is very stable. But of course, when they have, and somehow they have to make this shoe light, they are some kind of material they also had to, what can you say, make lighter. So, but you have some leather here, and you have some kind of Gore-Tex, what can you say, material here, who will make it this shoe very light. And this is awesome hiking boots to walk in. They have some very good downhill support here. When the heel is coming a little bit up, you can see. So, and you know, guys, if you are used to hiking, when you go downhill, you lean forward. I know your body wants to lean backward, but you can easily slip, so you have to lean forward. And when you go downhill, you have a very good support in this shoe. And the same again, this goes extremely up, so you have a very good support when you go up, because you will not slide back, because you are going only on this surface here when you go uphill. So that's awesome. You can see the curve. Try to see if you can get on camera. Yeah, you can see the curve on this shoe here, the bottom. And if I show you the curve on this shoe, this is more straight, and this is more stiff. So, but again, this is also hiking boots that I can run. I'm not a big runner, guys, but it is so light I can run in these shoes also. So that's really awesome. If you can say something I could miss out a little bit in this shoe, and that's of course when you want something that are light, the material has to be thin also. So I know that, but the stability up here is of course not so strong as it is in this shoe here. But if you, I'm one when I am go out and hiking, I am tightening my laces really tight. So if you tighten your laces really tight from here all the way up, then you have a really good stability there. And they have this extra pouch down here who can help you to get in and out of the shoe, and also support you, don't know what you call it, Achille, I think, seen in back of your legs. So yes, this is a really awesome shoe, and I will really recommend it if you are a hiker or a light hiker. And I will say, guys, if I'm going to a long hiking trip, I will maybe, if it is now, it's a winter time, go in these shoes here. But I will take this shoes with me. I know this is an extra kilo I have to carry, but if there are some paths who are not too muddy and you know, what can I say? I walk a lot of the mountain bike trails. These shoes here are perfect. I will take them on immediately because they are not so hard for my feet and they have a good flexibility and they are light. I really love to go in these shoes here. I have maybe, hiking these boots maybe 100 or 200 kilometers now, and they are really awesome. Yes, that was a quick review on this Hoka and a Kappa. I don't know if you pronounce it like that, but that's the way I do it. And they are really good. Small 500 grams of hiking boots, guys. Light. You have a so comfortable sole, so that's just easy to walk around. And you can see it down here. They have their own like this, and this is very soft also, so it feels good. If you, like me, are a heavy dude and you have around 20 kilos in your backpack, these boots here will not last 5 years. They maybe will last for 2 years or something like that, and like this shoe here, it will almost last forever. So that's something you have to be aware about, and you can find them on the internet, these shoes here. But if you have looked at these shoes and think, will I buy them or not, you can easily buy them. They are awesome light shoes, and they work really good for me. I think the lighter you are, if you are a small man, thin man, the better these boots will get. So of course, the more heavy you are, like me, you will wear them out quicker. So, but a very good perform shoe. My problem with shoes, also I have a lot of different hiking shoes, boots from different companies. My problem is that they will torn up here. Every time I do like this, and they will go apart here, and I can see very quickly if this is the case with but there has been nothing yet. Oh, there's a stone from the last trip. There have been nothing yet on these boots here, so that's really awesome. I don't have so much more to say about this hiking boots here, guys. I think this is a little bit different video than I am normally making, but don't get away from this channel, guys. This is primarily a knife channel, guys, and I think that but I will also show you some of my equipment I use for hiking also. So if you are interested, you can see it, or if not, you can leave it. But as I have mentioned in my other video, there are something coming for me, a new knife. I have grabbed up to this guy or guys who are making this knife here, and I am excited. I can't wait to they arrive here so I can test them out, and they are so beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to see this new knife, and I immediately get them, I will test them and make a video for you, so you can see what I am talking about. But you can be excited, guys. These are awesome. Okay, I only have one thing more to say. Don't go hiking. Go hiking!